Our favorite cookie in the whole world is the White Maca. So we took white chocolate chips and macadamia nuts and put them in a cupcake with a tall hat of our white chocolate Italian meringue buttercream.
Hey, there's only one white macadamia nut cookie left. I wonder who the culprit is.
I'll go get more.
Well, thank you, Captain Breadhook.
Let's make White Maca cupcakes.
Great idea. Let's do it.
Oh. Is this rush hour traffic? Shiver me timbers, go White Sox, go! Hey, look, it's the Sears Tower. The Wolf Tower now, right? No, it'll always be the Sears Tower. You from Chicago, right? These go together like most other cupcakes with the creaming method. Sift together 2½ cups of regular old-fashioned all-purpose flour. We need a stiff batter here. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and ½ a teaspoon of baking soda. See, those lumpy bad puppies didn't get into the cupcakes to make you overmix. Arr! Arr! Arr!
Yay!
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
All right.
Then your wet ingredients. 1 cup of buttermilk. That'll make for a tender crumb, and it's the activator for the baking soda. And a 1/3 cup of oil for that moisture. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That'll give it more of the vanilla sugar cookie taste. Now, fluff up 1 cup of butter, unsalted. The nuts have enough salty taste already. Fluffing takes about 5 minutes. And this is how it looks when it's at room temperature.
Oops, we made a wrong turn somewhere back there. My GPS isn't working in these tall buildings.
Should have done the breadcrumbs. Just saying.
Uh-oh, oops, I'm on my way. Add in 4 eggs, 1 at a time. I'm almost there.
And alternate in your dry and your wet ingredients, starting with the dry and ending with the dry. Then fold in a cup of chopped up macadamia nuts and a cup of white chocolate chips. Our macadamia nuts came already toasted with sea salt on them. We rinsed off the sea salt. Toasting them before putting them in makes them much more tastier and crispier. Fill each cup 2/3 of the way full and bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out almost clean. Avast me hearties, this is the way, full steam ahead. Oh, that hasn't been invented yet. We top these off with our white chocolate Italian meringue buttercream. And we increased the recipe for 3 dozen cupcakes we just made. We made a complete video on that, but here it is in a nutshell. Pun intended. Whisk 12 egg whites plus 1½ teaspoons of cream of tartar until they're foamy all the way through to the bottom. And in your favorite saucepan, put in 1 cup of water, 2 cups of sugar, and 3/4 cup of corn syrup. We almost got it, we got it. Heat that to 248 degrees. Now throw your mixer on high and slowly drizzle in the sugar syrup into the egg whites. Whoa, we filled the bowl. How cool is that looking? Whisk the stiff peaks. See, that's a test for stiff peaks.
That's stiff peaks.
You have to cool the whole thing down to the same temperature as the butter. 65 is our magic number.
Great time for a cookie break. You're just in time, Captain Breadhook. Thanks.
These are my favorite cookies, and now I have a favorite cupcake too. Yum, 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 yum. Me too. Yum, 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 yum. When you've eaten all the cookies, start popping your butter chunks into the meringue. The key to success here is to let each chunk fully mix in before popping in the next. We love piping too. We're using a Wilton 1B.
And another success. Look, guys, it's a whole forest.
We love your comments.
Yeah, leave a comment.
Yeah.
It makes our day.